Welcome to HUM CMA YouTube channel. This is your ultimate guide to the CMA course. Whether you are preparing for CMA Foundation, Inter, or Final levels, this channel is here to support you at every step. Here you'll find detailed explanations of concepts and topics from cost accounting, management accounting, operations management, and financial management. Help with exam forms, results, past papers, and MCQs. Tutorials on tools like Tally, SAP, Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Guidance on CMA training, career opportunities, and professional growth. Whether you're starting your commerce journey or advancing in your CMA studies, this channel will motivate and guide you toward success. Subscribe now, and let's begin your CMA journey together.